If you're looking to get more clients and grow your business, Housecall Pro is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you streamline your operations and connect with new customers effortlessly. In this video, we'll dive into how you can use Housecall Pro to attract and manage clients while also optimizing your business for growth. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies to start bringing in more clients today. Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software solution designed for service-based businesses, especially those in industries like plumbing, HVAC, electrical, and cleaning. But it's not just about keeping your schedule organized. It's about driving more business, providing excellent service, and building relationships with your clients that last. So, how can you use Housecall Pro to get clients? Let's break it down. First, Housecall Pro simplifies scheduling and dispatching, which means fewer missed appointments and more time spent serving clients. By syncing your calendar and managing appointments in real time, you reduce the risk of double booking and ensure you never miss an opportunity. With automated reminders for both you and your clients, you ensure that they show up when they're supposed to and are impressed by your reliability. Next, the platform makes it incredibly easy to generate and send professional estimates and invoices. Clients will appreciate the clarity and professionalism, and you can quickly follow up with automated notifications to keep things moving. This is key in creating a seamless experience that encourages clients to choose you for their future needs, and that's a huge win when you're trying to bring in new business. Another great feature is the Housecall Pro marketing tools. The software allows you to send automated emails and SMS messages to both existing and potential clients. You can easily ask for reviews after completing jobs, send out special offers, or simply remind clients about your services. Positive reviews are a powerful way to attract new clients, and Housecall Pro makes asking for and managing those reviews a breeze. Housecall Pro also integrates with social media platforms, making it easier to showcase your services where potential clients are already browsing. This integration can expand your reach, so if you're not actively using social media to market your business, it's time to start, and Housecall Pro can help you with that. The platform also gives you the ability to track client history, making it easier to personalize future interactions. When clients feel like you're familiar with their needs, they're more likely to return and recommend you to others. And you can do all of this from your mobile device, which means you're always just a few taps away from staying connected with your clients. Now, here's something you'll want to hear. If you're new to Housecall Pro, you can use the software completely free, and we're offering an exclusive extended free trial through the first link in the description below. This means you can explore all the features that can help you gain more clients and see for yourself how effective it can be without any upfront investment. To sum it all up, Housecall Pro is an essential tool for service businesses looking to get more clients. With its easy-to-use scheduling, invoicing, marketing tools, and client relationship management features, it's an all-in-one solution that can help you attract and retain clients while growing your business. So, take advantage of our exclusive extended free trial by clicking the first link below and start using Housecall Pro today to grow your client base.